Thinkie Sammy here, and today I'll be unboxing the April 2017 ZBox, which the theme is Genius. Inside we've got a poster featuring Sherlock Holmes and the Hound of the Baskerville at the top there, and I believe that is the t-shirt design as well. Yeah, really need to get caught up with Sherlock. I've seen like the first season and a bit of the second season, but I haven't gone much beyond that, so I really need to get caught up with that. There we go. Nice t-shirt there. Now, here we have it says Pixel. It's a pixelated Big Bang Theory character, and it's a question mark, so let's see which one we've got. We've got Sheldon. That is actually quite cute. Little pixelated Sheldon there. Wouldn't look out of place in Minecraft. Does his head open or anything? Or is it just... No, that's just the way it's made, I think. I don't think it opens or anything. But yeah, there we go. A little pixelated Sheldon. Here we have a DC Comics Bombshells vinyl figure. I believe it's supposed to be Harley Quinn, but I don't know if it's a random one or not. But let's open it up and find out. Yep, that's definitely Harley Quinn in a sort of, not sure what the style is it 1950s sort of style, or World War II style or whatever, but there we go, got a little Harley Quinn. That's quite cute. Now we've got the Genius booklet, telling you all about stuff this loot crate. Did I just say loot crate? ZBox. God, I'm getting mixed up here. And a Iron Man. It's an Iron Man vinyl record. So I don't have anything to actually play this on, but if I did, then I would check it out. But yeah, okay, so it's final record of Driving with the Top Down and Gulmia from the Iron Man thing. So it's quite a fancy thing there. Vinyl record, like a red vinyl record with the God, I've forgotten what it's called. Arc reactor in the centre, yeah. So yeah, that's quite fancy, but yeah, maybe I'll have to invest in a small record player just to try that out. And is that everything? Okay, that's everything. All in all, I thought this was a pretty good ZBox. There's lots of stuff that I like here. Especially think the little Sheldon that I got and the little Harley Quinn are quite cute. The Iron Man record will make a nice display piece, even if I don't ever get a vinyl record player but yeah, at least it keeps it in good condition like this. I wonder if there's a download code in the booklet or something. But yeah, and the Sherlock t-shirt's nice. So all in all, this is a good ZBox. A lot more stuff that resonated with me than last month's box. So yeah, so keep watching for more good videos coming soon. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will be back with more good videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.